Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Valorant game client on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice and just search for Valorant and hit enter. Best result should say playvalorant.com. I'd recommend getting it directly through Valorant here, the developers of the game. You can go through the Epic Games Store as well. However, I would suggest going directly through the publisher though for most cases. So I'm going to go ahead and just open that up here. And now at the top address bar, after the last forward slash, you want to just type in download and hit enter. So again, just search for download in the address bar and hit enter. Just add that onto the end of the address. And then select the download button on this page. And just give it a moment here. Go ahead and run that setup file once it's done downloading, and then it should say install Valorant. Verify publisher should say Riot Games, and select yes. And then you can close out of the web browser at this time. It's a pretty large download here. It's about 31 gigabytes in size, but if you select advanced options, you can change the installation path if you want to save it on an external hard drive, perhaps. You're welcome to. And then you would select install. So I'm not going to install it because it's almost 31.5 gigabytes in size, so it's very large. I don't want to take up my whole hard drive just to install this one application. But again, pretty straightforward. Just would select the install button at this point, let it proceed. It will ask you to sign into your account or create a new account once you're done installing it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.